This is how you make viral videos with SCAIL-2 motion transfer on ComfyUI, online, completely free. Watch this. One driving video on the left, one still image in the middle, and SCAIL-2 outputs a brand new video where the people in your image copy the motion frame for frame. Same dance, same timing, different people. It even handles 2 dancers at once. No GPU, no installs. Everything you're about to see runs in a browser tab at full FP16 precision, and the first 30 days are free. Hello everyone, welcome to aimotionstudio. Today I'm running SCAIL-2 motion transfer at full FP16 quality on Floyo's cloud GPUs. My RTX 5060 Ti could only handle the quantized Q4 version. Floyo runs the full precision model on an H100 with 94 GB of RAM. Sharper motion, zero setup, no restarts. I'll show you exactly how to run it yourself. Let's get into it. This is Floyo, the production layer for open source AI workflows. Any model, no setup, no idle cost, the same platform used by teams at some of the biggest companies in the world. Head to Floyo.ai, and the first thing we'll do is create an account. Just sign up in the top corner. Signing up takes seconds, email, password, confirm, done. Or skip all of that and sign up with your Google account in one click. I already have an account, so I'll hit sign in and log in with Google. Back on the home page, but now we're logged in, so we just hit launch. That spins up ComfyUI right in the browser. No downloads, no 20 GB model pulls, no custom node installs. Everything is pre-installed on Floyo's H100S. Give it a moment to load. Now the important part, go to the Community Workflows tab and search for SCAIL-2. You'll see a few results. Click the one published by aimotionstudio. That's our recently published SCAIL-2 motion transfer workflow, and it loads straight onto the canvas, loader already set to the full FP16 model. So that's the whole process, 4 steps. 1. Sign up with promo code aimotion30 to get 30 days completely free. 2. Open ComfyUI in your browser, every model and node already installed. 3. Load the workflow from the Community tab. 4. Hit run. No restarts, no freezes, no environment wipes. And if you're a creator, the Floyo 4 Creator Code gets you the 6-month Pathfinder plan. Let's generate something. For this first example, I'm uploading a real video, a TikTok dancer, as the driving motion. And above it, my image reference, a completely different person, just a single still photo. Now the prompt, make sure you enter it in both slip text encoders. Keep it simple. I'm literally just writing a girl dancing. That's it. Hit run workflow. I'm speeding this up so you don't have to watch it render. On Floyo's H100, the full FP16 model takes just a few minutes. And look at that. The result is incredible. The motion is exactly the reference video. Every step, every arm movement, perfectly in time, but it's our image reference doing the dancing. That's a viral format video from one photo and one clip. Quick word on why I switched. On RunPod, every session meant spinning up a pod, downloading 20 GB of models, installing 8 custom node packs, 45 minutes to an hour before I could even load a workflow, and ComfyUI could still restart mid-generation and kill the render. Floyo flips all of that, browser-based, pre-installed, persistent, flat rate. Open a tab, load, run. Now let's try something harder, a motion transfer with 2 people. My driving video is a pair of World Cup football dancers, a man and a woman dancing in sync. And my image reference is a photo of 2 completely different people, also a man and a woman. Let's see if SCAIL-2 can track and transfer both at once. Same process, prompt into both clip text encoders, this time a guy and a girl dancing. But because there's more than one person in the video, there's one setting to change. On the SAM3 video track node, bump max objects up. I set it to 5, 2 works fine as well, since it only tracks up to the number of people actually in the frame. And that's the only change. Run workflow. And look at this result, both people dancing, perfectly in sync with the reference video. 2 subjects, tracked and transferred in one pass. This is the kind of clip that does numbers. Under the hood, the whole thing is 31 nodes. The Diffusion Model Loader is Floyo native, no extra node pack, carrying the full FP16 SCAIL-2 weights. One image input for your character, one video input for the driving motion. SAM3 auto-tracks and masks every subject. Wand Scale 2 turns motion plus reference into video, and the chunked feed-forward loop with the batch manager stitches 81-frame windows into one seamless full-length clip, with the LightX 2V LoRa keeping it fast. Full FP16, full length, zero artifacts, rendered entirely on Floyo. The full workflow is live on Floyo's community workflows. Search SCAIL-2 and grab the one by aimotionstudio, link in the description. Use promo code aimotion30 for your first 30 days completely free. If this helped you out, hit like and subscribe. I drop a new workflow every week, and I read and reply to every single comment. Until next time, see you guys in the next video.